And we're back to learning Photoshop in year day 306. Let me show you how you can quickly export your files as PNGs. Here I've got the thumbnail from my last video tutorial on Photoshop, and the way that I've exported it was to go to File and then Export. And here you've got lots of options to choose, but the easiest and quickest way is to use the Quick Export. So the first option, Quick Export as PNG, and that's usually what you need for YouTube thumbnails. Just pick a folder where to put it. Let me put it on my desktop for now. I call that tutorial example. You can see the file type is already pre-selected. It's a PNG. Just save it and then it should already be done. Let me open my folder. And here it is. Let me open it. And if I show you the details of this file, you can see it is now PNG, so perfect for YouTube thumbnails. So once again, File, Export, and then use the Quick option for Quick Export as PNG, and you should be good. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.